Hello, troops. I'm back. I'm back. And I feel I can do anything today. I feel pure the brilliant, man. Fucking pure the brilliant. So, I have something funny. Maybe not funny. See, again, I'm mental. So mental. So is Glasgow. Temperamental. Highlight this, highlight. Temperamental with temperament, I'm mental, so I'm mental and pure crazy. So it's Glasgow as well. So I'm going to remind you all the time during my every class, when I start my class. So I'm mental, temperamental, and mental. All right, so pure happy troops because 3 days ago, in Scotland, was a national election, parliamentary election, and the election to the Glasgow Town Hall, Glasgow City Council. So I'm pure happy because the 15 years of SNP is over. It's so fucking over. And I have to admit that my fav political party won. So it's SLP, Scottish Labour Party. So I think, and I'm so happy because they take care of Glasgow. They take care of Glasgow because Glasgow needs attention. Glasgow needs to be, Glasgow needs to bright more, or should I say, shine brighter. Aye, Glasgow should shine brighter. Glasgow should be a pearl. Aye, shine brighter. Because I'm pure happy, man, pure happy. And then there's a hope. There's a hope for Glasgow to shine brighter again. And then, because this party improve Glasgow. So it's SLP, man. I'm so happy. And I'd love to share one thought with you. That I suppose it's my dream, but I wanted to, as I move into Glasgow, I'd love to move to Glasgow, and I'm going to, and I'd love to do something to support Glasgow, to promote Glasgow in the world. Aye, so maybe if I joined that party or a parliament, I'd be so happy to represent this great city by the Clyde. Aye, I'd love to, man. I'd love to work, to do something. Aye, I'd love to work in the service of this great city called Glasgow. I'd love to do something, man. Seriously. So anyway, so I'm pure happy because of this. I'm going to remind you that I'm here with my traffic cone again. As you can see, with my traffic cone. As usual, it was last Monday, so that was I had my traffic cone. So the day it's very same situation. So I'm here with my traffic cone. Mental, highlight this. I'm mental. I'm pure crazy. Mental, temperamental, mental. Alright, it's me, trips. So, alright, so just to remind you, with my traffic cone, that I'm here to teach you this pure the brilliant Glasgow accent, the English of Glasgow, and then Glasgow part, some of the expressions to help you mingle with Glaswegians. So I have pals and friends, make pals and friends with Glaswegians, and then feel like in Glasgow as at home. So I'm here for you. So let's start with something not crazy, but something you didn't know, I suppose. So Glasgow facts first. Want to know about Glasgow? Think, what's your first thoughts when you're thinking about Glasgow? What's your first thought, trips? First thought. Just give me one word in the comments. Just write what you think about when you think about Glasgow. So write one word, 2, 3, doesn't matter. But so as you know, Glasgow is voted the friendliest every year. Aye, the friendliest every year. You know how that is. It's because of people who make Glasgow. But I'd love to I'll explain to you that slogan after in my video. So Glasgow is voted the friendliest every year, man. It's on the top of that. You know how Glasgow's the friendliest? You know, because of the people. Plus, the greatest humor ever, man. If you put that cone on, it's called, I should say, Glasgow hat. I suppose Glasgow hat, no traffic cone. So, if you put that cone, you're like Glasgow. You know, pure crazy, temperamental, mental. Aye. So, plus Glaswegians, I just forgot to mention that. Glaswegians are, so don't mess with Glaswegians, you know how that is. You know how that is. That's because they are temperamental. Temperamental. Highlight this mental. People with temperament are just mental. They are so mental. So fucking mental and pure crazy, man. And the friends, man, seriously. It's not just my experience, just experience of hundreds of people coming to Glasgow, that Glasgow is the friendliest. So I advise you to experience by yourself. Right? What's more, Glasgow is on UNESCO City of Music. Aye, you know how that is. Glasgow is on UNESCO City of Music. You know how that is, trips. Aye, because Glasgow has the greatest music venues. Artists and musicians just love coming to Glasgow for gigs, for concerts, for everything to show their music, to share their music with others and in their songs. They just pure happy they come into Glasgow because Glasgow is a UNESCO City of Music, man. Do you ever do you ever wonder that what music venues Glasgow has? These popular ones. I should say to you is that one and the grandest is Barrowland venue. Barrowland Dance Hall, the Barrowland venue. And then it's up to the Barras, historic the Barras Market in Glasgow, in the area of the Carlton of Glasgow's West East End. So you should definitely go there and see the magic of Barrowland. Aye. And I can see these couples, and then you were going as a lassie to this Barrowland every Friday. You were alone. You were a single listener. You were single, but after that dancing, you were so in love, and you were found your partner, and then he just walk you home or drive you home, I suppose so. You used to waiting for a tram. So magic of Barrowland. Every Friday was a dancing. A couples went for dancing, so you have to see this one. So Barrowland is a Barrowland venue. It's the best, grandest music venue in Glasgow. So next one is the grandest. You should see the hundreds of gigs and the concerts and the Hydro. Hydro is at the banks of Clyde. So facing the pure the brilliant Stop Cross Crane. I should say Stop Cross. It's not finished on one. It's Stop Cross. So plus I should add that the Hydro is the only venue in the world to achieve a greener festival, a green arena certificate. Man. Plus, concerts are held in Glasgow Green. This famous Glasgow Green, given to the people of Glasgow in 1450s. So, Glasgow is a city of arts and culture, man. Glasgow is a city of arts and culture. You can see the hundreds of murals and graffitis. As well, I should add that artists and the festival artists, painters, they just love coming to Glasgow and represent their I should say art, their pictures, what they have, so their portfolios. So I should say that Glasgow is hotching with murals, the greatest murals ever, man. So the last exhibition I remember was a modern artist, the Banksy. So it was last year. He chose Glasgow to represent his art. He chose Glasgow. He's a modern artist, so Glasgow is open. Glasgow is open to for everyone, for everything. So he chose Glasgow. He chose Glasgow with a traffic cone, and that's because of the banter humor as well, but Glasgow State of Arts, and plus the traffic cone hat. That was smashing, man. Seriously, I just nip into. I suppose I nip into. Remember nip into. Visited once the Banksy exhibition so last year. So I was pretty brilliant, man. I even drank the. I drank the. Even I've drank that was the margarita drink. Yeah, Arin brew and then straw traffic cone on the top of that. So that was smashing. And I received my traffic cone earrings. So that was pretty brilliant, I should say. So next one is Glasgow City of Culture. Glasgow is a UNESCO City of Culture in 1990s. Then I should say Glasgow is a city of football, man. Football. It's not. Most of all, it's just like that because in Glasgow we have the greatest two teams. Celtic Rangers. As I mentioned to you, sorry. As I mentioned to you, I'm a Celtic supporter. We my so great traffic cone hat. I'm mental, I know, sorry. As usual. I'm mental, but I don't care, man, sorry. I don't care, seriously. So Glasgow is a city of football because of that Celtic Rangers as well, but these Celtic fans as well as me and troops, they're so fucking mental and really crazy. So, and suppose you didn't know this. Some of us maybe know, but did you know where the first football game took place? Where was that? Well, that was in Glasgow in 1887. In Glasgow was the very first football match, the very first football game. That's how Glasgow is called the City of Football. Best of all, the City of Sport in 2013. So, the City of Music, I should say, I forgot to mention that, in 1999. Sorry, man, in 2008, Glasgow voted as UNESCO City of Music. Arts and Culture, 1999. Football, and then sports, 2013. So, as you know, Glasgow is the grandest town. Sorry, I should say Glasgow is the friendliest city on earth. With the friendliest folk. Friendliest people, man, seriously. And then that great banter. The Glaswegians can just cheer you up. Anytime you come to Glasgow, they just cheer you up, man. Everyone is wearing a cone hat just to have fun, just to put your traffic cone, and forget your troubles. Forget your fucking troubles, all difficulties in your life. Glasgow is here to cheer you up, man. So you don't need any therapy. Trust me, you don't need any therapy. You just need to be off to Glasgow. Just off to Glasgow, trust me, Drip. So this city, Glasgow is so the grandest. Anywhere else, we just shite, man. I should say. In my traffic cone. Sorry. Alright, so Glasgow is the city with great industrial architectural heritage. Architecture in Glasgow is so, man, it's wow. It's wow. It's purely brilliant. Well preserved. Great architecture, industrial heritage. For example, Fairfield Shipyard. You should see Govan. You should nip into Govan and experience all this, man. Seriously. The charm of industrial Glasgow. That was something as well. The charm of these living tenements, the red sandstone tenements, and the shipbuilders. come to the shipyards and then, man, seriously, visit Fairfield, seriously. And admire architecture. In Glasgow, remember troops in Glasgow. Look up. Sometimes down. But best of all, look up. And admire Glasgow. That's my advice to you. Plus, I should add this earlier, but you already know this, as Glasgow is a city with unique local accent. A local accent, local lingo in Glasgow is so great, so magical. And then that smashing lingo called Glasgow Par. It's some slang, it's Glasgow Par slang expression. So I should tell you that that's pure the brilliant one. Seriously, but some of the Glaswegians think that the rest of the world doesn't understand them. But it's not right, man. It's just they'll be surprised if they meet me. So meet up with me, because they are so intelligent. Glaswegians are so intelligent, and they're just they talking too fast. With their moves just like that, and then you maybe not understand them, but you just have to focus. You have to focus, troops, and you'll be, wow, I understand Glaswegians. I have hundreds of pals in Glasgow, so that you'll be pure happy, trust me. All right, so have you ever wondered what Glasgow really means, troops? Here I am to tell you. That the popular name, which comes from Scottish Gaelic, Glasgow, it doesn't mean dear green place. Glasgow's defined dear green place, but that word Glasgow doesn't mean dear green place, man. Doesn't mean that. Of course, Glasgow comes from Scottish Gaelic, but it means hard rock or stone, hard rock. Remember that. Next, Glasgow comes from Cambric language. It means blue river greyhound. Next, Glasgow comes from Old Brythonic, language of Vikings, and Celtic. It means dear green place. That one means dear green place. I know I'm mental, but sorry. Sorry, man, I'm sorry. So remember, Cambric language, Glasgow, Blue River Greyhound. No, Scottish Gaelic, Glasgow, hard rock. Old Brythonic, Glasgow means dear green place. Because Glasgow is defined dear green place. Cause of the parks. Because Glasgow has, attention please, 90 plus parks and green spaces. You'll be surprised. So, I should mention to you about Glasgow coat of arms, which I suppose is visible here. The Glasgow coat of arms, and then the patron saint of Glasgow. So it's Kentingham, called by the locals St. Mango. So I should tell you about that pure the brilliant coat of arms. It's called the armorial bearings of the city of Glasgow. You should pay attention, please. Date back to 1866, when the patent was first granted by the Lord Lion. So the emblems which appear in the official bearings refer to legends about the Glasgow's patron saint, St. Mango. As I mentioned, St. Kentingham, he was a bishop of the St. Mango. He came from Curros in Fife. His mom was a Saint Enoch, Saint Thanu. Saint Thanu is Saint Enoch, hence Saint Enoch Square. She was a mom of Saint Kentingham, St. Mango. So the first appear was the fish, and then also sailed Bishop William Wichard in around 1270s to be joined by the bird in 1271 on sailed Bishop Robert Wichard. I should say on the layer sail the tree is shown along with the fish and the birds, and the bells appears in 1321 on the previous sail the chapter of Glasgow where old emblems were first used together between 1488, 1540s, and 1647 appeared in a combination similar to today's armorial bearings. So where each reorganization of local governments, a new patent was granted, the latest being in April 1996. When the official coordinate patented in 1975 and then was changed to current mural coordinate representing the site. So let me tell you the story, great story of Glasgow coat of arms. So this, you should admit that it's purely brilliant. Glasgow coat of arms, there's one here. So let me tell you a story, Glasgow coat of arms. So here, I'm here for you. So mental and crazy. Aye. All right. So, sorry. So the bird was Robin. That was restored to life when Saint Mungo held it in its horns and prayed. The oak tree was shown as a hazel branch. Saint Mungo was left in the charge of the holy fire, but he kept down, fell asleep. Awoke and to find the fire had gone out. So he collected some frozen hazel branches for the ground, and when he prayed, they burst into flames. The original bell was said to have been given to Saint Mungo by the Pope, but what happened, it's no certain. The new bell is in the People's Palace. The fish is a salmon. We are ring in its mouth, grab Queen Lagoreth, get her ring to a knight, as a Hedereth hail. The king of Kadzof was pure villain, raging, angry, about this. So he removed the ring for the knight's finger when he was skipping down, and threw it into the Clyde. So the king asked the queen to produce the ring, but she couldn't do that. The knight who fought for the queen asked for Saint Mungo's help, and he sent a monk to fish in the river, in the Clyde, and the ring was in the mouth of the fish. Hence the words representing Glasgow and the Glasgow coat of arms. It's here's the bird that never flew. Here's the bell that never rang. Here's the fish that never swam. Here's a tree that never grew. I should say, here's the tree that never grew. Here's the bird that never flew. Here's the fish that never swam. Here's the bell that never rang. So I should tell you, man, that Glasgow motto is let Glasgow flourish. But I should say that was inscribed, but original words were told by Saint Mungo. He was praying and he kissed the grounds. He was praying in the grounds. And he said, Lord, let Glasgow flourish through the preaching of thy words and praising of the name. And that was shortened. Let Glasgow flourish. And these words, as you can see, are in Glasgow's coat of arms. Let Glasgow flourish. So now I think when that party, Scottish Labour Party, I think Glasgow will be flourishing and thriving and will be a peril again. Alright, so let me move on to my, what I should say is, People Make Glasgow, That slogan, People Make Glasgow, was invented in 2013. The city of Glasgow engaged people across the globe in a conversation aimed at shaping new brand, encouraging residents, visitors of the fans of the city across the world. They have their say, that share their ideas. Over 2,000 people from 42 countries contributed to this conversation, and overwhelmingly the greatest response for contributors was that it's the people of Glasgow that make this city great, which ultimately led to the development of People Make Glasgow. Aye, man, that slogan is everywhere, on every building, on the main building in George Square. It's in the on every bin, every bus stop. It's representing Glasgow all the way, even on the buses. Aye, I should say on the buses. Here's that slogan, People Make Glasgow. So it truly represents Glasgow, the slogan. What's the greatest? The people. Visit Glasgow and you'll be troops. You'll know this one. Seriously. So, I should read to you some of the practice Glasgow practice, I suppose. I know I'm mental, but it doesn't matter just now. So what I should tell you is that, alright, so, alright. Stringing started on a Wednesday. Please repeat after me. I mean, nothing ever starts on a Wednesday because I day for per a day. Ever a skint, maybe get a backsheet. Sorry, man. Painter and anchor as buiten. Anyway, it's after 9, and then I was thinking about him as a him. It's home. I later Bob McMahon through $1, and the boss in paint or the old in a top of his own. So I did a couple of games at Domino's. And then was a bit enough gap for bottle of money. So tell the truth, I'm no fussy for the wine, but it just goes on some 6 years. So I'm telling you, man, I drink it mine. And then I have a bop and a half ball and then whiskey to 3 balls magic. No, all that anyway. Nice to be nice. Every man, his ain comes down, he want to run and the corner in the wine. So all are, sorry. Of Ertje want and to go and the place is just Chris like and the Kersmitten up there. So anyway, I've got 2 mouthfuls there and up there. So anyway, I've got 2 mouthfuls and ever done. It's got from the Ertje gift so started on a plonk and I can't hold him. The old can's disgraced. I left him outside the close and I went home. I was getting in the Romera these days, so I can hang about the close. And I usually every night in the week, so I'm not kidding you. Their parents want to give him the room themselves. So I mean, if it was young ones, know what I mean, just better get married anyway. Jesus Christ, the young ones nowadays now it's got here head screwed on. More than ever he'd now just get married better. So didn't even notice. I'm going up the stairs. So we obey Suderland Lassie and the young Pierre Craig. So that was a new his father. I tell me almost a heart. And old man was that pair in Winchen. Winchen is guessing, as I mentioned. Near 6 months now, but as my knocked in the out of heat. So good luck to him. I hope she's a nice with lesson. So is her mom. So I had to stop 2 flares. And then I was getting breathed back. So I'm not as a button I feel that right now. The bronchitis, Jesus Christ, man, I had the butt. So I had to stop work because of it. Good job there. The lorry driving that check a bit. Lands up in the Western Infirmary. No breath at all, fucking no breath at all. It's so roasting, man. By the way, it's roasting inside. Oh, I should say I'm melting with my traffic cone again. So anyway, couldn't fucking breathe. There it was, man. So I made that top okay. I stay a room in the kitchen inside the toilet and then so bad. I'm only pay 6 of my rent rates and I just come there right enough so I be hope for and this but I have my single man so that's where I get my corporation house and I go for a good anyway and the corporation house is early work fuck end up being handful and they dumped in the welds no me not even pop in the bigger and it hangs stacked them so once in the house I've been a kettle there for a tea picked a book and I sleep in times now sometimes reading all night so hopefully air and doing goes funny, I mean, I don't get many visitors. So anyway, we just young Tony, I forgot to say. I was like, we met as a pair of birds. Chris, would you do? Invite him in? No, I was being nice to be nice anyway. Alright, the 2 supposed to be a pair of therapies, and then I do Tony right. I makes me so young games. Right, Elaine. Elaine is alone. So in Glasgow, say that Elaine is him. You know, saying. Hey, home is him. Hey, ladies, him. No home, him. Not alone, Elaine. I was like, him, no. Sorry, I'm mental. I'm so mental, sorry. Glasgow made me that way, but I'm no worries, man. No worries. I'd love to. I love it more. So the young man is that lady, I'm Elaine. I was at maintain that. Give is a form of give. Give. So although in the girls don't wait and the coaching man's going like is a urchin had troubles and a pair off again. I'm just the brand carry out is go glasses. No glasses. When I catch it in the way with politics and horse and all that. I quite enjoyed it, man. So that was something. So although mine you just met a listening, I met and there was talking bit and then as usual. As the birds didn't see much and then didn't blame her, I guess, and I knew she didn't let me on a bit, so I worked beside her, man. But in the chicken and then, nice to be nice. She isn't, but look, nasty. So I didn't. Isn't. Didn't. On either. Anyway, I must been there at clock when I told me, I'm fucking out of swear night, so listen, mate, I got in that fucking liberties and then all the time, I sound that reasonable. I sit a day asleep in a room. I sleep here in the kitchen. To tell the truth, I end up spending the night here on the chair over all these days, man. One minute I'm sitting reading at us next 6 o'clock in the morning, and then Nick could just stiff in a poker or something. I was thinking of moving the beds, but I free the room from free. As a kitchen, there is stays anyway as well. I mean, it looks a bit dated after that, there's nothing, so there's nothing else anyway. I mean, nothing else. Sibaleno. Folk every era. Fucking that and then as a room. I suppose I was stuck in like a folk bed. Comes to the Kelman's fucking, and then let's renting out. Packers and I jump at it. I hear her sleeping out of the room as a main big room, so say good luck to him. So the fair money, and then the good luck to him if they can get away with it. So I got a couple of blankets, and then they tell the truth, and then wasn't I'm tired, wasn't. Sometimes when I taste that bevy drink, aye. So taking that awake to hours, aye. So I could taste that, so they have get rid of kids on the no points staring at all. Nothing wrong again, it's no wrong, it's wrong in Glasgow, it's wrong. So it's him and Elaine, so it's him, I just forget it, home, alone, and then, I should say mention it, what was that one? Wrong, it's no wrong, it's no wrong, it's wrong. Alright, so that's my traffic, sorry. I should tell us that I'm more mental with my traffic hat, but it isn't. I love it, man. Again, so this rang and all enough time I spring I don't job to just a kitchen that is the point, and then a room so was a double bed for a furniture a ploy as a mo and the poster right back again. So the story is dark on the wall. I say, oh Archie, the first time it comes to either and done, and then get us world can't hear say and sees. Toen grabs all the inbas things out the window. First time I've been 30 year heat. Had heat. Nee, where there? You keep it covered, man. The airchie fellow wasn't again. Menu. And then had it just in the bath with a bonnet myself. So that was in a 2-3 strands. Here is scratching free back in the heat to the front. And the bonnet was still there on the pavement. And I went down for it. So it ducks wouldn't. Getting there and dirty looking object and the bairns all to heat. Anyway, I drop off to sleep anyway. I just met wearing a brew a day. Tomorrow is tomorrow. So I wanted to get up and just been a been there and all that. Maybe it's a baby drink. So man be at the end of the tone spill my arm. So arm is arm. So it's arm. Sorry. Again, me being stupid. Doesn't matter. Standing, I should mean it's standing. Where am I there? They are afraid of getting us. It wasn't a form of help, and then I was open, and then I was watching 42 quid, man. Jesus Christ, man, collapsing, then being a brew for a while, and then they would get after us here. So there's a bit 42 quid, man, and they proved me wrong again. So that was no but, man. I feel no but. It was not off again. And creeping at me, no, it's not, it's home. Well, I mean, I'll just go with all these and then horse a bit of time as a fin of boost. So it's not kidding you, man. Some clays. No, close clays. It was maybe deposit for again, I get around the drive, the horse of these. Toning is a made the bears and is my time going. And then went down the road, man. Down the road for a breakfast. For when the cafe and the works and then Sporting Chronicle and then after, it is more. It's no more, it's more. It's the rest of that. Chucking these days, long ago, man. So, doesn't bother me, doesn't. So, I'd know better than one time. I couldn't, Ben shop. Anyway, no matter that. Tony Gamma said, fair enough, with us. Of course, we bought 2 flies come out of food for us. And I was a horsey one. Once that twice. So, maybe and the rest not a duck. I don't that. I was a horse with me, so I suppose gambling is no reason away from that fuck when I left me. So, definitely can't blame me. I mean, just now stuck 30 year Christ. No matter that. So I had forget. I'm steaming, sorry. just joking. I'm joking. Just joking, man, sorry. It was a very bro money as they say, that just go home and there I think. So next part of this chapter, None of the Gyro by James Kelman. I'm going to finish next time. Alright, so just now, I'd love to teach you as usual some Glasgow par. So. I was joking. As I said, I'm joking. I was joking, man. Tra la la. Sorry again. I'm stupid. Sorry. In my traffic cone, I'm saying I was swanking. It's swanking. I was joking. Short breed pastries, sweets, swagers in Glasgow. Swagers are sweets. Pay your lucky as electricity bill. When you want to say you meant the world to me, I'm lucky to have you. You say you're a bargain to me. You're a wee bargain to me. Get somebody a den. Get somebody a den, man. What does it mean? Being attacked. Aye. Taps off. So in Glasgow, I say, sorry, man, but it's a rare occasion to be just crazy in Glasgow. On rare occasion, so many such days usually go topless. Or even sunbathe in the snow. It's like a bitch nudge. You can sunbathe in the rain. When it's snowing in Glasgow, that's possible in Glasgow. So taps off, man. Doesn't matter where weather doesn't matter. Just taps off. Dangerous. It's pure shady. Dangerous. My flat. You won't say with my flat. You say my bit, my guff. So my flat is a bit my guff. My house is my house. Aye. My house is my house. House. When you go out for a nightclub, you say go out for dancing. Go out for dancing. Go out to the nightclub. It is go out for the dancing. But when you want to invite somebody to them, going for a going to the dance, just to dance, it's going for a jig. When you go out to the cinema, it's going to the pictures. The baby fish, man. The baby fish is drinking a lot of alcohol over a small period of time. What you are bit, ma? Confronted somebody. Go on a date, la, is good for your lumber. A pure suck, somebody sucks up the person, pure suck. See us after or right afters. Or right after, man. Sorry. See us after. It's see you later. Hi. See you later. Oh, man, tell me. Sorry. So, that was pure solid, man. Pure solid is difficult, hard. Aye. Damn. Something I should mention to you is the what's smart? Something smart, it's ugly. Kitchen is your scullery. Kitchen. Giza dodo haggis. Aye, dodo haggis. A dot is a portion, small portion. Curry in, cuddle up, Curry in, cuddle up. So, if you only like well-skirt arse, you're not a beauty. If you only like well-skirt arse, you're not a beauty. Your coupon is fair tripping you. You're upset about or something. Your coupon is fair up tripping you. I need to get a new pair of wellies for a Clappendale, mate. I could not, and they say a false teeth. I need to get a new pair of wellies on the Great Dial line. Your bahouki or big. Your bottom is rather large. He's got a coupon on him. He looks miserable. Ready. She's got a big beamer. Aye. Her face was red. Aye. Already she got a big beamer. Big beamer. If she fancy a guy, aye. She's a beamer. She's got a big bow face. Her face large and full. There's need to put a hanging on a handy. Being far too far. There's need to put on the bear hanging the same way. Being far too far. He's right hard taker. He's tough. He's right hard taker. To have a crabbit coupon. To have a crabbit coupon. Being a bad mood. To have a crabbit coupon. His coupon reminds me of the back end of Glasgow bus. He's not good looking. All this scarefaffle. No, it's scarefaffle. But what's all this scarefaffle? What's the commotion? Was the commotion scarefaffle? I'm fair bailing at you. I'm angry with you, man. I'm fair bailing at you. Here, hold the jackets. I'll be a fight. Hang about. What's Jim? What's all about? Sorry. Again, I'd love to... I'm scanned. I'm scanned, man. You're doing my heat. Stop shouting. You're doing my heat. No, how's your heat? No, how's your heat? You're an idiot, man. What's all this bother? One mere word is your verb per breed. One word and you're deed. What's all the palaver? One word and you're deed. You're nipping my heat. You're nipping my heat. Stop complaining. You're nipping my heat. Don't act with me. Don't play innocent. Don't act with me, man. The talk of the stemmy goes me about something. The talk of the stemmy goes me about something. Hold my chips, I grabbed the wine. Hold my chips, I've dropped the wine. I was not concentrating on what you were saying. Hold my chips, I've grabbed the wine. You're a wee star. You're a wee star, my love. You're so special to me. Alright, so I should tell you that. Next one is... Away to hell. You're kidding. Away to hell. You're kidding. I right. That'll be correct. Away you go. Away you go, man. Wow. On you go. Away you go, man. Would you believe it? That's amazing. Would you believe it? That's amazing. When your ship comes and you'll probably be at Glasgow Airport. When your ship comes and you'll probably be at Glasgow Airport. You need to grow up. When your ship comes and you'll be at the Glasgow Airport. It's not literal, man. It's not literally. Again, you'll need to grow up. I say I've been in the Glasgow Airport. What's your coupon like fast fare? What's your coupon like fast fare? Why are you so annoyed? What's your coupon like fast fare? Why are you so annoyed? Get lolly, man. Get lolly. They are best. Get lolly, they are best. I mentioned that. Oh, yeah, bezer. That's just great. I have my fucking... Sorry. I have my traffic cone. That's yeah, bezer. I have my traffic cone. Just for you. The cherries up with my Glasgow pie. Hey, hit the ball. Are you listening? Hit the ball. No, just literally hit the ball, but are you listening to me? Hit the ball, man. Oh, yeah. It's worth hee-ho. Some hee-ho, it's worth hee-ho. It's worthless. I've only wait a minute. Hurry up, man. Oh, that'll be a scoosh or a counter. That's easy. What's on the knock? What's the time? What's on the knock, I wouldn't get a hon that couldn't say yes or no. The game's a boogie, at least we gotta go. The game's a boogie, man. I guess we gotta go. We can't proceed. Oh, yeah, beauty. Glasgow turn up freeze. That's terrific. Oh, yeah, beauty. That's terrific. That's stonking. That's very good. And sure of it. So, next one, man, is some expression or away a belly or heat. Away a belly or heat. Away a belly or heat, literally. Means get lost, man. Let's face it. Glasgow has plenty of phrases telling you where to go. But like there's not in place that you've got there talking nonsense, so much nonsense, that in fact blow your own head in shame for being so ridiculous. Away you go. Literally, away you go, meaning, I don't believe you, man. Away you go. If you don't believe somebody, say, I right. Seriously. Or, did I? Seriously. Sorry, man. Did I? Alright, how are you doing? To be confused with alright, meaning I don't understand what you mean. Alright, mate, how you doing, son? Banter. Humorous conversation between friends, strange like. Alright. Next, boss in the mascoting usually is a negative denouncement of a situation. This is boss. Alright, next thing. Next Glasgow part, next thing. So it's Glasgow accent. Finishing next thing as well. So let me tell you something great with my traffic cone. Alright. Alright. So, a Glaswegian. Some banter at the end, as usual. A Glaswegian lad takes his girlfriend, his bird, home for a first day, introduces her to his parents. This is Amanda. his jaw jumps up. It's fucking what? Sorry. Do you realise that if you sit on a bog, 1 minute to 12 a.m, a clock, it's midnight, hits midnight. It's the same shit, different day. Have the mixed with folk for so long, man. I was beginning to worry. I lost my all social skills. Hold on, it's funny. Alright, so next will be, look, Factifano, polite response when a Glaswegian can't answer a question. Don't mess with Glasgow people. You know how that is. Don't mess with Glasgow people. You know how that is, man. They are temperamental. Half temper, half mental. Aye, so is me with my traffic cone. See, I'm mental. So fucking mental. Look, mental. Again, mental with my traffic cone. Aye, so, oh, sorry. My traffic cone. Oh, I have to put it again. Right. Don't mess with Glasgow people. They are temperament, half temper, half mental, man. Mental. So is me. A fart is your arse applauding. Fart is your arse applauding. 3 wages went to a fancy dress party dress a giant sandwich. They managed to get home in one piece. What do you call a legitimate Glasgow insect? A wee fly bastard. It's a wee fly bastard. So, to sum up with my con, I'd love to tell you is that when I'm traveling to Glasgow in the end of August, so I'd love to say to you is that my reflections in my traffic con, but I'd love to tell you my reflections. I belong to Glasgow. Right? I belong to Glasgow troops. Despite not living there. And every time I step off the plane, Glasgow belongs to me once again. In spite of cosmetic changes such as the colour of George Square and the New Bellingston Roads, Glasgow remains the same. It's people who make Glasgow. Just the city slogan so aptly declares. Glasgow is a friendly place where people speak to you on buses. And if you ask directions, they're more than willing to help. Trust me, man. A sense of humour runs through their veins, conversation. Often in a form of story. So, because Glaswegians are blabbers and storytellers, trust me, man. If he starts, he doesn't want to stop. Must be told in a very serious manner. So don't be offended if you are cold hen or confused when I come get off, man. Come on, get off, man. When it's time for you to get off the bus, it's a store of a day. Try a poke hat, and when you drink it, away have a wake cup of tea. So cheer you up. You prefer a fish supper, both ginger. Under no circumstances do you want a Glasgow kiss. Aye. So Glasgow, aye, it's my videos. I'd love to, in my videos, I give you a flavour of a place that was a second city of the empire, and it's still a vibrant, friendly place. Proud of its history, and mad about shopping, football, and music. Glasgow is the grandest in the shitey world. The grandest one. You know what I mean? So, anywhere else just shite. So, next time, you know, as usual, on a Monday, Glasgow accent, banter, and everything Glaswegian. So, in my traffic con, and see you after on a Monday. Trips.